Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to finally use the Eachine Stack X. I'm going to use it with this frame from Tinsley RC. This is the S50 big sharp frame, and I chose this frame because the cage is very big and I think it's going to fit the unusual shape of the Eachine Stack X camera pretty well. In order to mount it, I'm going to use this bracket from Runcam. I think it came with the Runcam Mini or the Runcam Split. In addition, I'm going to use these motors from T-Motor. These are the F40 Mark III motors, and this FR Sky X4R receiver. So the build is ready, and all I have to do now is to take it outdoors and see how it performs. I'm not really optimistic about the performance of the Eachine Stack X because even on a short hover test it had some issues, and also the FPV feed wasn't great. So what you're going to see next in the video is the configuration of the quadcopter. I had to remap the motors, and also I configured auxiliary tree to control the DVR unit recording process. And in the end of the video I'm going to give you my conclusion. So unfortunately, the longest footage I can get with this quadcopter was about 40 seconds. It crashed immediately. In addition, it had delay in the FPV feed, and sometimes I had discoloration and I could not fly it at all. So the bottom line is, although it has great specifications and it seems like a perfect all-in-one stack, this is not, and you should stay away from it, at least until they're going to release a patch, and even then wait for reviews and see how it performs, because at the moment this thing is not usable, and I'm just going to remove everything and use a different flight controller and even an ESC, because I'm not sure if the ESC is not faulty as well. Thank you for watching this video. I had questions about the Stack X and I could only build it now, so I apologize about the delay, and I hope you found this video useful and it's going to save you some money. As always, if you have any questions about anything I used in this video, feel free to ask it in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.